All right, good morning. Can you all hear me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hey, good morning. This is because of the Supreme Court of Texas 18th emergency order, we're conducting all criminal dockets. Okay, somebody needs to mute their phone. All right, I hear some background noise. Somebody mute their phone if you're talking. Anyway, we strongly encourage all attorneys to confer with the county attorney, our district attorney, prior to the docket. If your case will be reset, please call our office and let us know that you have conferred and your case is to be reset, and you will not need to connect by Zoom. This is important for voucher purpose attorneys. I will schedule the e-file and e-file the scheduling orders to you. If you are pleading your client, please have them sign the paperwork and fingerprints on the document to me and send it to me by email or hand delivered 2 days prior to the docket, which we're already on the docket. Defendants can be fingerprinted before the defendant pleads at any jail facility or the courthouse. Fingerprints need to be on the actual document. If the defendant has probation, the defendant will need to contact adult probation after the plea to schedule intake. They can contact adult probation at 741-6140. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and call the docket for 9:30. Is the state ready? State is ready. Where is the state? Mr. Saldana, are you ready?
Your Honor, I'm sorry. Yes, I'm ready.
All right, perfect. When I call your name, if you do not have an attorney, please let me know, and we will either give you a chance to have time to hire an attorney or see if you qualify to have one appointed, or you can tell us that you want to represent yourself. That option will come when I call you, and I'll ask you those questions. With that, the first person is Robert McBride. Robert McBride. Mr. McBride, are you here? Mr. McBride. Where's Joey?
He's trying to explain.
All right, we'll have him called at the door in just a second. Next one has a waiver. Cedric Muniz. Mr. Hilly, are you here?
Yes, Your Honor. And I just got appointed, and he should be on Zoom. I just talked to him, and we are waiting for discovery, and we're waiting for an offer. So we are asking for a reset, please.
Okay, we'll go ahead and reset you. Mr. Muniz, are you here?
Yeah, I just talked to him. He's there.
What I'm going to do, Mr. Hilly, is I'm going to reset you, but I'm going to have to call him at the door because he's not here.
He's up at the top.
Oh, wait.
Next to you.
I see him. Mr. Muniz, can you hear me? Wave. All right. Mr. Muniz is here. Mr. Hilly, we're going to reset you on both cases, okay?
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you. Is that all you have with us?
I have two more, I think. Yes.
All right.
I have Mr.
Hang tight. Mr. Muniz, you can go ahead and be excused, okay? You can hang up or leave, whatever the proper technology term is. Thank you. Next, we have a waivers filed. Next, we have Emmett Ortiz. Emmett Ortiz, are you here? Mr. Ortiz? Okay, hold on. We got a new person in the waiting room. I'm looking. It says waiting room.
Okay, they're in.
All right. Mr. Ortiz, are you in? Okay, we'll call him at the door. Jaime Moreno. Jaime Moreno. Mr. Moreno, are you in? All right, we'll call him at the door. Alberto Perez.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Perez. Mr. Perez, you are charged with a Class B misdemeanor. Do you have an attorney? Do you want to have time to hire an attorney? Do you want to see if you qualify to have one appointed, or do you want to represent yourself?
I would like to see if I apply for attorney, Your Honor.
Okay, Miss Ivy is on the phone with, or on the screen with us right now. I don't know if you can see her or not. Miss Ivy is with pretrial services. She will get in touch, or you need to get in touch with her to see if you qualify. And Miss Ivy's going to give you her phone number right now. Do you have a pen to write it with?
No, Your Honor.
Can you get a pen?
10-4. 1 second.
Go ahead.
Alrighty.
Miss Ivy.
Yes, sir. Mr. Pettis, yes, sir. You can reach me at 830-741-6024. And I'm option 1. It's Christy Ivy. And if you'll please give me a call this afternoon, we can get together with an affidavit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Pettis, you're going to call her.
Yes, Your Honor.
And I'm going to go ahead and reset you. The next hearing will be on January the 19th. They will send you notice. And by then, hopefully you'll have an attorney who we will also notice, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome to exit the meeting, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Next, we have Martin Polhemus. Martin Polhemus.
Yeah, I'm here. Yes.
Okay, Mr. Polhemus, you are charged with a Class A misdemeanor. I see you do not have an attorney. Do you want to have time to hire an attorney? Do you want to see if you qualify to have one appointed? Or do you want to represent yourself?
I'd like to hire an attorney.
You'd like to hire one?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to go ahead and reset you to January the 19th.
All right.
You'll need to let your attorney know that you hire, that the hearings for January 19th. And your attorney will probably know how to get in touch with the district attorney's office
All right.
for discovery and things like that, okay?
All right. Yes, sir.
All right, you're going to be reset, Mr. Polhemus. You can leave the hearing.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Mark Robles, I see Mr. Robles is on. Mr.
Yes,
Robles.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Robles, I see you do not have an attorney. Do you want to have time to hire one? Do you want to see if you qualify to have one appointed, or do you want to represent yourself?
I want to see if I would qualify to get appointed, a court appointed.
Okay, Miss Ivy, Mr. Robles, do you have a pen and paper?
Yes, sir.
All right, Miss Ivy.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Robles, if you could please contact me. I'm Christy Ivy with Medina County Pretrial. I can be reached at 830
Yes, ma'am.
741-6024.
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm option 1. So if
Option
you'll contact me, we'll see about getting you a court-appointed lawyer.
Yes, ma'am. I'll give you a call.
Thank you,
All
sir.
right,
Yes,
thank you,
ma'am.
Mr. Robles. Give her a call, and you are excused.
Alrighty, sir. You have a good day.
You'll be reset to the 19th of January, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
All right. Yes, sir.
Next one has a waiver. Next one's been dismissed. Robert Sorrells, Mr. Hilly.
Yes, Your Honor, he's on Zoom. We have the discovery. We are waiting for an offer. So will you please reset it for us? Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Okay, I don't see Mr. Sorrells. Can you announce yourself, Mr. Sorrell? There you are. You're under Turtle. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sorry about that. I
Say
can't
anything
say
about
it.
I was like,
Okay.
you need to change
Mr. Hilly, we're going to reset you and your client, okay?
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you very much. And y'all are excused unless you have more, Mr. Hilly.
Well, I thought I have nothing else, but I think Miss Hardy told me I have one more, but I did not know that I do.
Let me look. Let me just see. I do not see you on here, Mr. Hilly.
I did not think so. Maybe I misunderstood Miss Heilig. Thank you so much. And maybe excuse, Your Honor.
You may be excused, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
All right, thank you. That was Mr. Sorrells. Next, we have Robert Baez. Robert Baez.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Mr. Baez, you've been charged with a Class A misdemeanor, and I see you do not have an attorney. Do you want to see if you have time See if you qualify to have one appointed. Do you want to take time to hire one, or do you want to represent yourself?
Take time to hire one.
Okay, I'm gonna reset you to January the 19th. You need to contact your lawyer when you hire one and tell him the hearing's gonna be for the 19th, and he can reach out to the district attorney's office for any discovery or it'd be better if he confers ahead of time, okay?
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Baez, you are reset, okay? You can leave the hearing.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Andrew Ibada, Miss Boyd, I saw you somewhere. There you are.
Yes, sir.
Is Andrew Ibada on? Andrew Ibada.
The phone I have is disconnected.
Okay, Miss Boyd, we're gonna go ahead and call him at the door. If you want to waive him for right now or do whatever you need to do, let me know, okay?
I'll wait.
Waive, you mean, or wait?
I'll wait until you tell me to leave.
Okay. And we'll see if he pops on here, okay?
Okay.
At the end, well, we'll go ahead and call him for right now. Andrew Ibala. Next one has a waiver. Next one has a waiver. Juan Davila. Juan Davila. Is Sean Brown on? Mr. Brown, are you somewhere on here?
He's trying to talk to him.
Who's trying to talk right now? Juan Davila, if you're on, wave your hand. Juan Davila, that's not you, Miss Ivy. I'm kidding. Juan Davila, wave your hand if you are on. Okay, we'll call him at the door. Juan Davila. Juan Davila. Gregory Davis. Gregory Davis. Mr. Bruce, are you on? Gregory Davis. Call him at the door, please.
I'm sure that's got a waiver. Will we double check that?
Well, I got a waiver for Mr. Bruce's client, which is McCreelis above that. I don't see a waiver for Mr. Davis, which is also Mr. Bruce's client. Do you have one on file with it?
Judge, I just got it in this morning. It's me, Isabel.
Okay.
I send it to the queue.
All right, then we'll go ahead and waive this, Mr. Davis, okay? Thank you, Mr.
Okay.
Saldana.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Isabel. Next one has a waiver. Next, we have Kevin Beard. I see Kevin Beard and Mr. Ramirez.
Yes, Your Honor, we're both present. And we would need to confer with Mr. Saldana in the hopes of resolving this today. I think this is a fairly simple matter to resolve today.
All right, so do you want me to put you in a breakout room after this is over?
That would be a lovely thing if you can put me and Mr. Saldana together.
I will do that, and you just hang tight, Mr. Ramirez, because you'll be my first breakout room ever, okay?
That'd be great. And I assume the court sees my client?
I see Mr. Beard here.
Wonderful.
Yes. Next, I have Jason Reed. Jason Reed, there you are, Jason.
Right here. Yes, that's me.
Is your attorney is Mark LaHood?
Yes, sir.
I do.
Judge, my name is Justin Fawkes. I'm Mr. LaHood's associate, and I'm here for Mr. LaHood.
Perfect. Okay. Do you want to confer today? Do you want me to reset you and have you time to confer? How do you want to do it? Mr.
Judge,
Paul?
if I could reset, I'll confer with the state at a later date.
Is that good with the state?
Yes, Your Honor, that's fine.
Okay, Mr. LaHood, I'm sorry, Mr. Folks, we will reset you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, I'm going to go back and Mr. Folks and Mr. Brown, you are excused, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Now, I see some folks on here that I have not called. Mr. Saldivar, I'm going to start with you.
Your Honor, I'm here for, let me see here, Rogelio Morales. I believe he hired Adam Flores. So I was just making sure that they both appeared.
There's a waiver on file for him, Mr. Saldivar. I have a waiver. It shows I have a waiver for Rogelio Morales.
Okay, and did Mr. Flores, did you file your appearance?
Yes, I did. I did file my notice of return counsel.
Okay, Your Honor, may I be excused?
So wait a second, Mr. Flores, where are you?
I'm right here, Your Honor.
Okay, so Mr. Flores, are you going to be representing then Mr. Morales?
Correct, Your Honor. I already filed my notice of return counsel, Your Honor.
All right, thank you very much. And y'all are both excused then.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I need to talk to the ADA about getting discovery.
Okay, do you want to just call him on the side and have him send it? If you're not going to confer, if you just need discovery, can I
Yes,
suggest
Your Honor.
you call him at Mr. Saldana, your phone number?
830-741-6187, extension 108.
All right, thank you.
Give him a call, Mr. Flores, and he'll take care of that, okay?
May I be excused, Your Honor?
You may be excused. Okay. Emmett Ortiz, did you ever come to the, all right, we're going to call Emmett Ortiz. And Jaime Moreno. Jaime Moreno, did you ever show up? Emmett Ortiz. So Galaxy A11, right? On my screen, it says Galaxy A11. Wave your hand, please. Gentleman with the mustache, yes, you. Can you unmute your phone? Can you, okay. Can
Yes, sir.
What is your name?
Yes, sir. My name is Rogelio Morales.
Okay, Rogelio, your attorney, Mr. Flores, just came on and you are good to go. You are excused, so you may disconnect, okay?
Okay, how would I, okay, thank you.
So you have Mr. Flores' information, right? You know how to get in touch with him?
Yes, sir.
Then you just keep in touch with Mr. Flores. He'll help you through this.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Mr. Beard up on top, can you see me?
Yes, sir.
I can see you. Oh, my bad.
Okay, yeah, Mr. Morales, you can go ahead and be excused. Mr. Beard, I believe that you're here with Mr.
He's with me, Judge.
Ramirez. Ms. Boyd, you may
Yes,
be
sir.
excuse your client. I take it did not show up.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
So we're going to call him at the door, but you can go ahead and wave him or whatever you want to do, okay?
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Boyd. Let's see who's left here. Mr. Okay, upper left corner, unmute and tell me Kyle's iPad.
Sorry, Your Honor. Kyle Ernst here. I have Roy Cifuentes on the docket. I didn't hear his name called, and I haven't been able to get in touch with him.
Roy Cifuentes shows to have been dismissed. So
awesome.
Congratulations to you.
All right. Thank you, Justin. I appreciate it. May I be excused?
You may be excused.
Thank you.
Now we're down to Mr. Ramirez. Hold tight. They're going to show me how to set y'all into a breakout.
Thank you.
So Mr. Saldana and Mr. Ramirez, I'm going to put y'all into a breakout room, okay?
Great, thank you.
All right, I guess y'all will come back and tell me if you come up with anything, all right?
Sounds good.
All right. Wait, who's in there now?
There we go. They went.
Are they gone?
And then they're gone. So when they come back, they'll automatically pop back on. Or you can bring them back in if they have to use it all.
Okay.
I like go in as well? No, just the attorney and, okay.
Okay, you know, Miss Ivy, I don't think you have anybody else here because Mr. Ramirez is actually representing this gentleman. But if not, I'll have him call you. So if you want to be excused, you may be.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And you know, Isabel shows up as Julie. You don't look like Julie.
I know,
Mariah,
that's what I told her.
I
Bye.
think I know enough to know in the upper right corner of your screen, there's 3 little dots. Are there?
Where on me?
Your screen, is there dots? I guess not, because you can put your own name on there.
No, that's all right. I'll just leave Julie on there.
That's all right. If you do something wrong, we'll blame it on her, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and mute out for a second and we'll come back once they come back, okay?